Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a card from Credit Karma. First thing I want you to do is log into your Credit Karma account, and then what I need you to do is open the network tab right here. So go ahead and tap on that and you'll see your linked account. What I want you to do is go ahead and completely open up the linked accounts. You'll see all your connected accounts and just find that specific card. So here we have this card right here. It's a Visa card for Main Street Bank. So I want you to go ahead and tap on this. And then here you'll see more options on the account settings. So once you access account settings, I want you to go ahead and click here on unlink account or remove connection. And then if you want to remove your account, they'll give you this pop-up asking you if you're sure you want to remove this account. Just confirm that you are sure and click on a link. And it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out.